back to my channel. It's Helen here. Today I am going to be unboxing the Ninja Foodi. Yeah, that's what it is. It is a 9-in-1 appliance. Actually, that's the Foodi Max. The Foodi is a 7-in-1 appliance. This product bakes, roasts, slow cooks, pressurizes, dehydrates. I love dehydrated fruit. That's something I want to do. It's an air fryer as well. Why did I get a Ninja Foodi? Simply because my air fryer died about 6 months ago and never replaced it. And I didn't realize how much I loved the air fryer until until it died and I didn't have it anymore. So yes, we gave it a funeral, off it went, and now I got the Ninja Foodi. Just really quickly guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, leave a comment. That'll really help me out and help me deliver more content. In the next few episodes I will be doing a couple of different recipes using this product, because if I did it all today we would be here all day. We're going to get started. So today actually you've got a view of the chicken. This thing is damn heavy. It's telling you some instructions. First time pressure cooking, make sure you do a water test to practice with the pressure. The other thing too is accessorize. So there's other options that you can buy with the Foodi. So in case you are interested in that. So this is what it looks like here. Couple of different functionalities, so you can pressure, steam, slow cook, sear and saute as well. Air crisp, bacon roast and grill. So, and these are the accessories that it comes with. So this is like, I think the crisper, so you can crisp things into it. And then this is the second lid for pressurized cooking. I don't know how to use it just yet, and that's why we need a couple of different videos showcasing the different products at different times. It looks like the air frying basket. That's there, it sits on a little thing. This is the steam pot, or the cooking pot, similar to what you find. Okay, and I've just switched it on, but basically I think you just choose what you want. So if you pressurize, it's saying put the lid, steam, it needs a lid, grill, 10 seconds, and now I can start, keep warm, bake, what sort of temperature, air crisp, what sort of temperatures. It's got over 2,500 reviews, 5-star ratings, and well, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching today. That's it with the Ninja Foodi unboxing. In my next subsequent videos I will be doing different types of cooking with this particular product, so really keen to get started, especially when I come home late from work and really need to whip up a meal fast and easy. So if you have any questions, drop me a line. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, thanks so much for watching. See you.